Find the zeros of the polynomial 4x square minus 8x plus 3 and verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. Here we are given a polynomial 4x square minus 8x plus 3. We need to find the zeros of the given polynomial. In order to get the zeros of the given polynomial, we will set the polynomial to 0. 4x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we will find out the values of x. So we will use the method of factorization here. How to do factorization? First, we will check the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square here is 4. So we write 4 times multiplied by the constant 3. The constant is 3. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 can be written as 4 into 3 is 12. Then 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12. Instead of minus 8x, this minus 8x, we will write the given polynomial equation like this: 4x square minus, instead of 8x, we will write minus 2x minus 6x. Minus 2 and minus 6. See, here we have minus 2 into minus 6 is 12. So we are taking these factors. So we'll write, instead of minus 8x, we will write minus 2x minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we will group this. From this group, we can take 2x common. So 2x into, what is left here? 4x square. 2x we have already taken. So 2x into 2x is 4x square. So this will be 2x minus, from here we have already taken 2x outside. So here it will be 1. So 2x into 2x minus 1. 2x into 2x is 4x square minus 2x into 1 is minus 2x. So this part is over. Now we'll go to this part. The trick is, what we have written in this bracket, first bracket, 2x minus 1, we will write it again, 2x minus 1. What is this bracket? We are writing it again. So 2x minus 1 we have already written in the bracket. So what is left? We have minus 6x. Already 2x is there. So if we put minus 3 here, minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x. Then minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So so this is correct. This is equal to 0. Now we have 2x minus 1 common. So we'll take outside 2x minus 1 into, what is left here? There is 2x. Then next bracket there is minus 3. So 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. That means either 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0 means 2x equal to 1. That means x equal to 1 by 2. And here 2x minus 3 equal to 0 means 2x equal to 3. That means x equal to 3 by 2. So now we have got the two zeros of the given polynomial. One is x equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to, the other is x equal to 3 by 2. That means we have got alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to 3 by 2. To verify, we will find the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to, what is alpha? Alpha is 1 by 2 plus beta is 3 by 2. That means 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That means 1 plus 3 by 2 equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now we need to check whether this is equal to minus b by a. That minus b by a is equal to, minus b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 8. So minus 8 divided by a. A is the coefficient of x square, that is 4. Minus 8 by 4, that means 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So we have got alpha plus beta is equal to 2 and that is equal to minus b by a. So sum we have verified. Now product we need to verify. Product of the zeros is equal to alpha beta is equal to, alpha is 1 by 2 into beta is 3 by 2. This is equal to 1 into 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So this is equal to 3 by 4. No, alpha beta is, we know it is C by A is equal to C is the constant 3 by A is the coefficient of x square, that is 4. So we have got the product alpha beta is equal to 3 by 4, which is equal to the C by A. So we have verified it. Hope this is clear for you.